Hello children, welcome to RS Home Tutor. We are in quadratic equation solving the 5.2 exercise question number 9. The question is given in this way. In a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to number of girls and each girl contributed rupees equal to number of boys if the total money they collected was 1600 rupees. How many boys are there in the class? So this question is as practical as that. It may happen in our classes also. So first of all, total number of students we have 60. We have total number of students we have 60. Let this 60 divided by 2 ways. So some are boys we have, some are girls. So now number of girls I am taking it as X. So among 60 students, the number of girls I am taking it as X. Then the number of boys will be 60 minus X. So most of these children, they don't understood this. Why 60 minus X? Out of 60, if X girls gone, so remaining will be 60 minus X. In another way, if we add these two, you will get 60 again. So let we assume that the number of boys is equal to 60 minus X. Number of girls is equal to X. So this is the first step. Now come to the question. I will take boys' share. Boys' share. So boys' share is how much? Number of girls. So boys' contribution is rupees equal to number of girls and each girl contributed equal to number of boys. Now boys' share, here it is a contribution, is how much? So number of boys into how much each boy is spending? X rupees. So why? Because of they have X girls, they are giving X rupees. So this is boys' share. As simple as that. Number of boys into each one is sharing X rupees. Similarly, the girls' ratio. Girls' contribution. If not, you can take it as a share. So girls' share is how much? Number of girls into each girl is giving 60 minus X rupees. So we got these two shares. Now we'll move to the further. I think all of you understood. Let us take the girls are 10 members we have. 15 boys are there. These are girls and boys. So girls are giving 15 rupees each and boys are giving 10 rupees each. So this is the case of that. Now we will move to the next step. So what is the next step? If the total money collected by how much? 1600 rupees. So now I am taking the boys contribution plus girls contribution. So total is how much? 1600. So now just to substitute, we got it as this is 60 minus x into x plus x into 60 minus x is equal to 1600. Next, if you observe, these two are equal terms. I can take it as 2 times of x into 60 minus x, that is equal to 1600. So these are same terms, the contribution is equal, so then we can write it as 2 times of x into 60 minus x. So if it move that side and I am multiplying, this is 60x minus x square is equal to 1600 by 2. So if I take all the terms to that side, I will get 0 is equal to x square minus x square. If it moves, that's plus x square. 60x becomes minus 60x, and we'll get it as 800. So same equation I'm writing here. Same equation I'm writing here. So this same equation I'm copying to the next slide. So what is here? Here we have x square minus 60x plus 800. So here I am copying x square minus 60x plus 800 is equal to 0. Now if you solve this sum, we will get the answer. So if I take the multiplication, so 1 with 800, and if you multiply, you should get 800, and if you add, the product should be 800 and the sum should be minus 60. So what are the possible factors for 800? If you add, you will get 800. The product is 800 and the sum is 60, the middle term. So this is only possible way. I am writing this as minus 40 into minus 20. The sum is how much? The sum is giving us 60, yes, and the product is giving 800. So this is the possible factors for 800. So if I substitute here, so x square minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 is equal to 0. If I take x common in both the first terms, so I will get x here, it is minus 40. If I take minus 20 common in the last two terms, x is left and minus 40 is equal to 0. Further, I can take it as x minus 40 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. So AB is equal to 0. Either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So x is equal to 40 or x is equal to 20. So what we have taken x value? So before we have taken it as 60 we divide into two parts. One is x and one is 60 minus x. So here x is nothing but number of girls. So number of girls is 40. When the number of girls is 40 and 60 minus 40, that is nothing but 20. So number of boys are 20. So this is all about the sum.